Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm smiling because this is my third video in 15 minutes or so. So I'm trying to do the unboxings because my time is gonna be a little bit and we'll see how that works. And for this video, as I said, I will have a Birchbox limited edition box for Valentine's. And with this box I got a free gift, which is this one, and this one is called, if I'm saying right, Kerite Hydra. It's a hydrating ritual for dry hair, and this one is from, I'll let you read this. The brand is just here, the name, whatever is the brand. And this one has a hydrating shine shampoo, a hydrating shine mask, and a hydrating shine day cream. Never heard about a day cream for hair, but here it is. So I'll let you know what's about this one. And the limited edition box that Birchbox has right now, it's one for Valentine's and looks like this. And this one is called Sweet Beauty Treats, and I'll leave the price down below in the description box. I don't remember how much was this one, around $40 or something. And this one comes with this card, which is actually a coupon, $40 off for this site, which is whatever, something with flowers, if you want to send some flowers to somebody. And I'm asking myself, if the coupon is $40, how much is one of that? But whatever. And then we have the card here, and on the back all the products that are in the box, and it says here, filled with treats to feed both your beauty and candy cravings, whatever. This confectionery inspired box is what sweet dreams are made of. So we'll get something sweet also. And of course, is the first thing I see here is sugar lips. Are those candy in let me open this, in the lips form, and I'm sure we got something like this. They look like this. I'm sure we got something like this in one of the, what box was that? Oh, I don't remember the name of the box, but if I will, I'll let you know. Then we have this palette, and this one is for Laura Geller Iconic New York Collection Downtown Cool Eyeshadows. Is this one. It has 3 shades. And I have to say the palette is really cute and small. That's a good one to travel with. And the names of the colors are Cream, Gilded Bronze, and Goodness. And they look like this. So this is one of the items beside the candy. And also we get another box with candy, which is this one. And this is Royal Roses. And of course the brand of this is Sugar Fina, and those are shaped in a rose. I don't know if you can see them, but they look like this. Really cute. So if you're on diet, no way. The next item in here is this by AERIN, something like that. It's Rose Hand and Body Cream. so you use it either as a hand cream or a body cream. Then we have in this box this lipstick, and this one is Lipstick Queen. And let me see what's the name of this. The name is Medieval and looks like this. Actually, let me show you what's the color. It looks more like lip gloss. So this is the color. And then we have 3 more items in this box. One is from Benefit. It's Hoola Benefit. Is the small size. And here is the bronzer. Then another item in here is by Wonder Beauty. I'm using right now one of their lipsticks, and this one is, it's a mascara. And let's see how this one looks. Looks like this. And let's see the wand of this. And here is the wand. It has this curve shape. I never use a mascara from them. I'm using right now a lipstick. And the last item in here is this one, which is Pink Sugar. It's the Rollerball. If you watch my videos, and especially the last ones, you know that I hate roller balls, just because wherever it's on your skin and you know that you're clean, you're whatever, but it still goes in the roller ball. So I use a Nest one. I love that scent, but seeing those very small, whatever. And let's see how to open this to see the size of this. It just doesn't want to come out. Doesn't work. Okay, you'll see this in my empties. I'm not gonna waste your time trying to get this out. Yeah, whatever. So far this is all in the Sweet Beauty Treats from Birchbox. You get a coupon if you wanna use it to buy flowers for somebody. You get this Laura Geller eye palette with 3 eyeshadows. You get this if you have the chance to take it out. You get this hand cream from AERIN or something like that, which can also be used as a body cream. You get the Hoola Benefit bronzer. You get the lipstick Queen, this one, and the shade, as I said, is Medieval. And this one, actually it is called Medieval Tinted Lipstick Treatment, whatever. And also you get those 2 boxes with candy. Those are from Sugar Fina, both of them. You get the Sugar Lips and the Royal Roses. So this is all in this box. Usually their limited edition boxes are, and this is just my opinion, are way better. It's not bad, and I think the price is a little bit less than, and also you get the mascara. I think the price was around $40 or so. I'll leave the information down below. And usually a limited edition box from Birchbox is around $60. So let me know what do you think about this box. I will enjoy those for sure. And yeah, that's all in here. Let me know which product did you like from from this one, or would you like to try? I usually get their limited edition boxes because, as you know, I'm all in limited edition boxes, mystery boxes, things like that. So yeah, I'll use those products. I'll let you know how they work for me. If you use them, let me know how they work for you. So that's kind of all for this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon with another unboxing, and hopefully this time it's gonna be the Ulta skincare kits that I'll have also in the giveaway. And yeah, that's all for today, or at least for this video, because I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. So I wish you all the best. I wish you a nice day or evening, whatever is there, and I hope to see you soon with another unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.